Most people use eye drops incorrectly without knowing it. A simple mistake can reduce the medicine's effectiveness or even contaminate the bottle. In this video, you will learn the correct technique used by healthcare professionals to apply eye drops safely and effectively. Eye drops are medicines, and using them correctly helps them work properly. Many people make common mistakes, such as touching the eye with the bottle tip, using too many drops, or applying them incorrectly. Before using eye drops, always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Clean hands help prevent bacteria from entering your eyes. Next, check the eye drop bottle. Make sure it is the correct medication, check the expiry date, and look for any changes in the color or appearance of the solution. If you wear contact lenses, remove them if your medication requires it. Some eye drops can interact with contact lenses and reduce their effectiveness. To apply eye drops correctly, tilt your head back and look upward. This position helps the drop enter the eye properly. Gently pull down your lower eyelid to create a small pocket. This pocket allows the medicine to stay in your eye. Hold the bottle above your eye without allowing the tip to touch your eyelashes, eyelid, or eye surface. Touching the tip can contaminate the bottle. Place one drop into the eye pocket. In most cases, one drop is enough because your eye cannot hold more than that. After applying the drop, close your eye gently. Avoid squeezing your eyes tightly or blinking repeatedly because this can remove the medicine. To improve absorption and reduce medicine entering your bloodstream, gently press the inner corner of your closed eye near the nose for about 1 minute. Never touch the bottle tip with your fingers or any surface. A contaminated bottle can introduce harmful bacteria into your eye. If you use more than one type of eye drop, wait several minutes between each medication. This prevents one drop from washing away another. When giving eye drops to children, use a calm approach and follow the instructions from your healthcare provider. Store your eye drops according to the instructions on the label. Some medications require room temperature storage, while others may need refrigeration. Do not use expired eye drops or bottles that look contaminated. Using unsafe eye drops can cause irritation or infection. Seek medical advice if you experience severe eye pain, sudden vision changes, worsening redness, swelling, or unusual discharge. If you are unsure how to use your eye medication, ask your pharmacist or healthcare professional for guidance. Remember, correct medicine use protects your health. Follow PharmaWise for more simple and professional medication safety tips.